Hello guys, welcome to our video again, and today I'm going to show you our new product, new design. Is about DIY kit on 3D printer. And look around here, it's a big boxing, right? Big packing inside. So let's check out what's inside, okay? It's a pretty huge one. I'm excited, guys. Let's check out what's inside. So first, when we open the box, you will see here's the first layer protection. Right, first layer protection. And inside you can see the whole packing situations, bed, the nozzle, the cables. Here is the first part of this machine, so we put it out into the table. So second, you will see light. Here is the second, what is inside. Alright, here's a filament, here's another part. Actually, this is the top part of the printer. This part is the bed and the bottom part. Okay, anyway, so let's put it out from the box. First I'm gonna show you, so let's put it out. Okay, first I'm gonna show you guys today how to assemble this machine. So let's finish this part and then let's finish this part, okay? We have this is a filament holder, and it's a power supplier. Yes, power supplier. So this part is put on onto the table. We're not doing first play. Okay. So now let's check out what's inside. Okay. First part. Oh, sorry. So all these parts were printed from the i3 printers. And you can see right here, first we need to take off the things, okay? Alright, so I can see here it shows us the two main parts of this printer. It's almost assembled. So what we should do is just assemble this top part with the bottom parts together. So that means this printer is almost finished. Of course, don't forget the power supplier. It's very easy. Later I'm going to show you. So first let's show you how to put the top part with the bottom part together, right? Okay, cool, good. Right, left is finished. So here, I'm gonna show you, like, see, you have to keep it vertical. It's very important, keep it vertical. Okay, bingo. Bingo! Good! So now let's use Allen key to make it tight and correct position. You can see that? With this small tool, the Allen key, making it tight. Okay, and here. Tight, cracked. So it's almost finished. It's almost finished. But here I have another screw hole. We need to assemble it together. Okay, so we put it here, and here we have some screws. All right, like here on the bottom form. Here's a screw. Find the hole. Put inside. Put inside, and both sides with 2 screws. Okay, so totally 4. So here we have the special Allen key. Make sure in the tight and correct position. It's very important to make the printer working stable. It's a little bit take time, but it's okay. Down and 1, 2. Down. All right, bingo. It's almost finished, and next we're going to put the spool holder in the top of the printer. And here we design it's very easy to assemble this one, and let me show you how to do it. With the plastic cover, and we open the cover. See that? We open the cover. It's very easy, and you can put inside. So make it. It's very easy. Oh yes, first one is coming. And let's check out right here. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's very easy. It's very easy. Okay. So open it. Open it. And here we have to make it tight and use another Allen key. We have different Allen keys. Maybe this one. No, this one's a bit more. Right. Alright, so right now we almost finished the assembly line, right? And next we will assemble the power supply. Here's some cables. We'll assemble the power cable with into the nozzle for the heat bags, for the motors. So now I'm gonna show something. Put right here, and we have here are some labels, and here written the X, Y, Z and some numbers. So that means, and here we have some numbers and some X, Y, Z. You can, it's very easy to assemble them together with the cables into the right position for them. Because this is a Z axle, we put in the Z position. Bingo. And the next is like for the this one for the heat bat. Okay. Here's another Z. Okay. One right here. So this is the one. Okay, these are on the bottom, so we have to watch out. Alright, bingo!